Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I'm going to be unboxing the MacBook 14-inch from 2021. I assume this is going to be the same thing as the 16-inch from 2021 as well, but this is pretty much how most MacBooks are. But either way, just like every other Apple device, it says MacBook Pro on the bottom and the top, and it has the Apple logos on the left and right. Then on the back we can see the model that I got. You can look right here. But either way, let's flip this back over and we'll take off this pull tab. Okay, this is supposed to rip the plastic, but I guess not. Either way, let's just pull it like this. And now we can lift this up. And here is the MacBook. Let's take this out and put it off to the side. And let's see what else is in this box. So right here we have the 96-watt charger, which is USB-C. And then right here we have a braided MagSafe 3 to USB-C plug, which is pretty nice. I don't think the braided is gonna really add anything, but it feels nice, looks nice. And then in the design in California thing, we have not really much, I guess. It's pretty much like an iPhone nowadays. We have the stickers, we have this little safety thing, and then we have these little tips to kind of show you how to use the computer and basic stuff like that. But the most important part is the MacBook. And this thing is pretty nice and cold. It is aluminum, so yeah. And then you got the shiny Apple logo. Then when we flip it over, we can see it has a MacBook Pro kind of embossed in there, or engraved in there, whatever you want to call it, with those extended little caps on the bottom. But let's get this opened up. And we can peel this thing off. And immediately, like you heard, this thing is already powering on, which is pretty cool. And there kind of is the notch. And here's a keyboard, which looks pretty cool. I like how it's kind of black around everything. When I saw pictures of this, I didn't really like it, but now that I'm seeing it in person, it definitely looks a lot better. So I'm going to make a video on how I got this and a few other things, like what I like and what I don't like about it. But either way, there are going to be some videos coming out, so feel free to check those out. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and hopefully you learned something. And as always, thanks for watching.